Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to prune that large bushy jojoba tree. Previously, I wired that tree to give a good taper to that tree, but unfortunately, it's grown so vigorously out of my expectations. But growing fast is actually a good thing. It's indicate the good health for the tree. Wires are starting to bite the trunk and the branches, so they need to be removed. It may look very easy job to you, but jojoba tree are very spiky trees, so I am being very careful while doing it. Many people are curious what type of the wires should be used on the trees, and my answer would be it doesn't really matter what wire are used. I have used aluminium wires on that tree, but I uses any kind of wire like copper, iron, aluminium or steel. All wires are acceptable until they do the job. The important thing is the wire should be flexible, that's all. What type of alloy that wire is made of, it's does not matter. Mostly I let the stay wire on tree for the 1 year, but that tree is grown very fast. It started biting the trunk, so it is needed to remove just after 3 months. As you have seen early in the video, I have removed lot of foliage in a few seconds, and it's look like there is almost nothing left. After removing wire completely, I will cut down the remaining stumps. That's you can see it's gone now. But that is how things work for the bonsai. We keep removing and bending the branches until the tree started to appear in an adorable condition. Now I am using rubber cement to seal the cuts. And I would say I believe tree is looking better than before. What do you say? Please comment down below and like the video.